welcome back to my channel and I am Ahana and you are watching AHO'S Zone. Hope you all are had a great Durga Puja and Navratri. So lots of wishes for Vijaya to my all followers. Today I am back with another video and it can help your hair care, skin care and makeup routine. So I am present before you a unboxing video, a product unboxing video. So any other further delay, so let's begin our video. So here is our all products, so let's unboxing it. Here is my all products and they are sent me two Avon product books for festival season. So our first product is Serum Sheet Masks from Avon and one is rose flavor and another one is lime flavor. So you take it out the marks from foil bag and unfold to apply place. Adjust to stretch it, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then discard and you apply twice per week. Okay, so our next product is Avon Activating Serum and one of my favorite product it is. So after cleansing your face you can apply in your whole face. Here is our product. I'm literally obsessed this product and its price is 2499. Okay, our third product is Anew renewable toner, illuminating toner. After cleansing you can apply it same and its price is 799. And our next product is Avon Natural Lip Balm, the strawberry flavor lip balm. So our next product is Avon Anew Luminosity Day Cream and Night Cream, and after cleansing and toning your face you can apply it in your whole face. So the day cream price is 1599 and the night cream price is 1599. So our next product is Anew Luminosity Cleanser and its price is 699. Here is this cleanser. You can apply it as a face wash also. So here is our next product is Almond cream, night cream. Its price is 167. My next product is a Kajal. Actually it's not from Avon but I am ordered it from Nykaa. So coal black Kajal and smudge proof Kajal. Here is our Kajal. Avon Hair Oil. You can apply in your whole scalp and leave it from 30 minutes. And its price is 399. We are go through our makeup products. So at first it's a serum, Avon Serum Foundation and its price is 799. And the next one is Avon Simple Beauty Compact Powder and its price is 299. So next product is my very favorite product. It's Avon Lipstick. It's a shade of ruby red. It's a dark ruby red color. So after that, these products are not from Avon, but purchased it from Nykaa. So first product is from Face Canada lipstick. It's a matte lipstick, red color, and its price is 699. It's a red color. And the another one is a Face Canada mascara. It volume our eyelashes. And then the Maybelline New York liner. Its price is 299. So that's it for today. If you like my video, so kindly press the bell icon for new updates. Goodbye, Tata, and stay safe, guys.